Hey guys, it's Jen. So today I went to Target after work, mostly because they were having a sale on some Cat and Jack kids clothes and my kids need some new spring clothes, but I also wanted to check out the Dollar Tree. I also wanted to check out the Target dollar spot because I know that I've been seeing tons of cute things that other YouTubers have gotten there. So I picked up a few groceries, some clothes, and some stuff from the dollar spot. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is going to be a pretty quick haul. Total, I spent $150, and I actually got quite a bit of clothes. I didn't get too many groceries, so I guess it's not too bad of a deal. The Cat and Jack t-shirts are on sale for $5 this week at Target, and so I went ahead and got Kira a couple of these. They had some unicorn ones, so this one says I believe in magic, and then this other t-shirt has like some different animals that I thought were super cute, like a unicorn, a narwhal, a rhino, and a elephant, and they all say on point, so I thought that was cute. She loves unicorns. And then I also picked her up this long sleeve dress. They actually had this styled in the store with like a sweater and some leggings underneath of it. But since it is long sleeve, she'll be able to start wearing it now, and she actually has a sleeveless kind of like vest jean jacket that I think will look really cute with this, and some leggings and her Converse, so I got her that. And then for Connor, I picked him up a pair of swim trunks. We are always swimming. Either the kids are swimming at the Y, or they're in swim lessons, or like this summer we'll be at the pool a lot. And so I like to have multiple pairs of, swimming suits and swim trunks for both of the kids. These were $12.99, which is not a bad price. Connor is 5 years old, but he's a big and tall kid for his age, and so I ended up getting him the large 12-14. My guess is that they will fit around the waist and be a little bit long, but I'm okay with that. So I got those. And then this boy's pullover, it's a Champion brand fleece. They had these on sale, or actually on clearance, and I think it was, let's see, $8.40, which is an awesome price for a fleece sweater. But I got this because, it's starting to warm up just a little bit around here, and eventually he'll be able to stop wearing his winter coat and can just wear like a light jacket or fleece like this. So I got that. And then I also got him a couple of t-shirts. This one is from the Cat and Jack line, and I thought it was super cute. It says together, and then it's got all these hands, which I thought was really cool, and it's this really kind of neat light green color. And then I also found this Teen Titans Go shirt for him, which he loves Teen Titans. So I thought that shirt was super cute, and he will definitely love that. And then I got a couple of clothing items for myself. I got these pajama shorts. I just thought that they were super soft and they looked comfy. I didn't try them on yet, but I think they'll fit. These were $12.99, and I like the pattern on them. And then I also got this, they had this in the sleep section, and I think it's meant to be worn as just like loungewear because it's so thin, but hopefully you can see it. It's like a hooded sweater, and it's like this really sort of thin, soft material, but I like to wear stuff like this around the house a lot, so I picked this up. They had, usually I wear either an extra large or like a 1X in tops, but they didn't have any 1X, and I kind of tried this on over the sweater that I was wearing in the store, and I thought it fit, so hopefully it fits. I'll take it back if it doesn't. I also stopped at the dollar spot to get some different decor items and things for my kids' Easter baskets. I thought this water bottle was really cute for Kira's Easter basket. It says wannabe unicorn, and it's kind of got some glittery sparkles in it. If you have, Kira will be 9 this year, and so just trying to find different things for her Easter basket that aren't necessarily toys. This was $5, which is obviously a bit high for the dollar spot, but I thought it was cute. I also got this little hello sign. It's got a wood grain on the front, and then it's hot pink on the sides, which I think is super cute. This was $3, and I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put this yet, but I liked it, so I had to get it. This is part of like the spring decor. They had this like hot pink home sign, and I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put this yet either, but I'll show you guys in a little bit. I have a table in my entryway that I've been trying to decorate like for the seasons, so this might end up going there like for spring or Easter. And then they have these little cute pouches. They're $3 in the dollar spot. I got this for Kira's Easter basket. It looks like a pineapple emoji, and they had a couple different ones. They had like a rainbow and a watermelon maybe, but I got her this one because it looked like an emoji and I thought it was cute. Also home decor, I got these in the dollar spot as well. This is just a cute little spring like a votive candle holder, and it was only $1. It's like this pretty teal blue with gold on the outside and then this pretty pink on the inside. And then I thought this would fit really nicely in there. This is just a fake succulent plant, and this was $3 as well, but it fits perfectly in there, so I think I'll put that either. I have this three-tiered, excuse the mess on my counter. My kids have Legos and puzzles and everything there, but I have this three-tiered stand on my counter that I'm going to also try and decorate each season. So I might be able to put that on there as well, but we'll see. So anyway, I thought this was really cute. And obviously you can use this without the, you know, little cup. But anyway, I got that. The next thing I got was this Easter egg garland. And I actually think I can hang this on my entryway table as well. I think that'll be cute. This was only $3. And then this little wooden sign says, "Somebody loves you." I got that for my foyer table as well. That was $1. And then this was only $3, which I thought was a really great deal. It's like this ceramic, I mean, you can see my hand. This is like a really nice size. Actually, it's like a ceramic bunny planter, and it was only, did they have the price on there? Yeah, it was only $3. So that's crazy. Oh, it says candy bowl, so maybe I could put candy in it. I was actually kind of thinking I could put like a bigger succulent in it. I don't know, maybe that looks kind of funny. I'm not sure. So yeah, maybe I'll put candy in it. I don't know yet. I don't have concrete plans or anything, but I just thought it was cute. And there was only like 3 left, so I couldn't pass it up. I also got this for St. Patrick's Day. I'm just trying to collect some decor items. This house that we moved into obviously has a lot more space. I have a lot more furniture and opportunities to decorate, and so I'm just trying to collect different things for the seasons that I can decorate with. And this is pretty heavy, actually. It was $3, and I think it's meant to be hung up, but I'll probably cut that off and then just set it on my entryway table. Last couple things I picked up from the dollar spot were just these bottles of slime. I just got one for each of the kids for their Easter basket. And then I also got this is from the cleaning section. This is the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. This is a daily wood cleaner, and I've seen different people on YouTube recommend that, and I haven't bought it before, so I decided I would pick up some of that. And then lastly, just for groceries, we needed some milk, so I got half gallon of that. I was out of olive oil, so I got just a small container of olive oil. Some cottage cheese. We were out. This is my favorite cottage cheese. It's like the 4% whole milk cottage cheese. And then we just needed some more turkey lunch meat for this week. So let me just show you real quick my entryway table. So this is the front door right here. So walking into the house. Sorry, you can hear my dog's feet clicking. But anyway, this is kind of how I have this table set up right now. So I have this welcome sign that I got at Joanne Crafts up there. And then on here I have a vintage typewriter that my mom gave me for my birthday one year. I actually collect vintage typewriters, and I have quite a few of them, so I'll have to make a video on that sometime. And then I have this ampersand that is actually meant to hang on the wall, but I kind of just have it sitting here. I got that from Target like years ago, so they probably don't actually have that anymore. And then I just have some wooden stars that I've collected over the years. And then this sign also that says, "Kiss me, I'm drunk," or Irish or whatever. I thought that was cute. I got that at Joanne. Also, this little felt succulent was actually sent to me by one of my scrapbooking friends. So that's like handmade. And then I just have one of our family pictures and a doily my grandma gave me. And then I got this floral arrangement from Walmart. I think it's super pretty. So anyway, this is kind of what this space looks like right now. I have a couple more things on the bottom there, a globe, a pitcher, and then a star, another wooden star. But anyway, my plan is to kind of, like I said, decorate this for the seasons. So that's something that I will be working on. Like I said, having spaces like this to decorate is somewhat new to me, so I'm obviously learning as I go. Hey guys, it's Jen, and I'm just sharing with you a small Trader Joe's haul. I stopped there after work today to grab a couple things. So first thing I got was this Trader Joe's sliced French brioche. This is going to be really good for French toast. And then I also picked up some of these cookie butter sandwich cookies. I have seen these before on other hauls, but have never actually seen them at my Trader Joe's, and I found them today, so I decided to pick up a package of those. For Easter lunches, I picked up a few different types of chocolate. This one is a chocolate caramel Yokies. It's like a chocolate bar that looks like a little egg, and then also these chocolate mousse eggs. I thought those would be cute for Easter themed school lunches. I also got some of these Chewy coated chocolate chip granola bars. These are really good. I always get a package when I go there. They had this on a sample. This is the organic strawberry lemonade. It's really, really good. So I tried that and then ended up getting a bottle. And then the Handsome Cut potato fries. These are our favorite fries from Trader Joe's, so I got a package of those. Also, I got some unexpected cheddar cheese. This is my favorite cheese that Trader Joe's has. Is that you, Connor?
Yeah,
you burped? What do you say?
Excuse me.
I also got 2 packages of steak. Adam texted me today saying that he thought steak sounded good for dinner. So I picked up 2 of the fillets. Actually, I thought it was a pretty decent price. It came to a package for $10.49. And then, good Lord. And then I also got one of the beef ribeye steaks. This was $8.39 total. It looks like it's $10 a pound, but it looks like a decent steak, so we will see. And then also for Easter, I got some of these bunny gummy friends. I guess they're probably just like gummy bears. And then to go with our steak, I got a Caesar salad kit. And then the only other thing that I got is some flowers for the table. I got some white hydrangeas and some eucalyptus, so that will be pretty on the kitchen table. But that's it, super quick haul. Just wanted to share that in addition to my Target haul. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short little haul video. If you're not already subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and then click the bell so you'll get notifications when I post videos. I have a ton of neat content coming up. I'm going to be doing some collabs with school lunches, a collaboration with another YouTuber on freezer meals, and then I'm also working on some Easter lunch videos as well. So again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.